Hi, my name is Vas and welcome to my channel. Today in this short video I'm gonna explain what's the best way to transfer all your data from your drone to your computer. So basically this, all your data from here to computer, which you got here. Cool. So all you have to do, I wouldn't recommend to use a USB cable to transfer your data. The reason is because you're gonna have to keep the drone on while you're transferring the data, and if you're gonna have loads of videos and loads of files, it's gonna take a while, and the drone itself, it might hit, well, you're gonna consume battery as well, and it's not really an ideal for the drone to keep it on and transfer your data. What I do pretty much all the time, I use SD card adapter, and I just take SD card off from a drone and insert in my SD card and just put in my computer and just transfer the files without having my drone on. I think that's really best to transfer data from the drone to the computer, so you don't have your drone on to keep hitting itself, consuming the battery, and I don't think that's really practical. That's for myself. If you prefer that way, I would say just keep doing it that way, but I would recommend to put your small SD card into an adapter and just stick that into a computer, and you can choose what files you want to download, which files you want to delete, and which files you want to keep in the drone. So yeah, I think that's a really good and practical way to take all your data from the drone to the computer. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you like my video and you want me to continue make more, thumbs up to me, thanks, and let me know what else you want me, what kind of videos you want me to make, and I'll try to focus doing it that way. And yeah, feel free to subscribe to my channel, please, and if you have any comments, just ask below. Thank you, see you in the next video.